One Maximo suite, many teams, and a single focus on enterprise results. That's what Maximoworld 2026 is about. I'm Terrence O'Hanlon, the CEO at Reliability Web, and we're inviting you and your team to participate. In 2026, we moved the show to Nashville, Tennessee, the country music capital of the world. And whether you're a beginner, whether you're an intermediate user, or whether you're an advanced user, we have resources for you. You're going to be able to meet the top IBM partners. You're going to be able to meet IBM subject matter experts, IBM executives, as well as your peer-to-peer community. People who face the exact same challenges that you do, even if they're working in a different industry, and they've probably already solved that challenge. It's a very generous knowledge and experience sharing community. You will fit right in if you're a Maximo user. So please, plan now, bring yourself, bring your team, bring all your Maximo stakeholders to Maximoworld Nashville 2026.